we're out here today at a public spot in the marsh where there should be birds. As you can see right here, we've brushed our boats up. I'm just finishing that up. So I've got the Spanish moss in here like I've shown on my other videos, and we're just cutting some grass. We're not killing it or pulling up by the roots or anything. We're just cutting a little bit of grass, putting it in there to kind of mix in. And we've also, if you can see, this is natural. We've kind of pulled our boats right up into here, and we're trying not to knock it down. We've got another boat right here where Ben will be sitting out of. So I may touch it up a little bit more, but with teal, it's not a huge deal. I'm just a little bit anal, and we got the time. But anyways, we probably got about another hour and 10 minutes till shooting time. We've got a north-northwest wind at about 5 to 10.
There's a lot of birds out here. It's about 2 minutes to shooting light. We just had a group of about 50 go right over us, so it's looking good.
Oh my gosh, dude, there's... Here, right up front.
Kill him.
Sorry.
No, you're good.
Get ready, get ready. Get ready, Ben.
Kill him. Reload.
Oh, you got one.
Yeah, I got one.
Atta baby.
I hit him hard, but
Atta baby.
pretty bad shooting.
Hey man, it's different out of these boats. Well, what do you think about your first marsh teal?
Well, they're moving pretty fast, I know that.
Hold still. Wait. Oh, Ben, what are you doing? Golly. Yeah. If they come by, you pop one. Let them pass. Kill him. Jump him up, Ben. Nice. Oh my gosh. Doggone it. Those ducks. Of them? Yeah, here, put those 3 on here.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Yeah.
Man. So we just had 2 groups come in, or we had 1 group come in, we killed 4 out of that, right? No, 5. 4 or 5. And then we just had another group come in, we dropped 3 more out of that. So we went from 2 to a lot in a hurry, so. It's good. Hopefully we'll get a little bit more on film. What do you think about that, Ben?
It's pretty cool,
There's some ducks out here.
Yeah.
I want to see your skills of getting back into this boat.
Oh yeah.
I like how you set your gun down in there. That's a pretty good idea. Nice.
Low.
You see him?
Yeah, right on the water.
Yeah. Right on the floor?
Yep. Well, I'm pretty sure I just saw duck parts flying.
Yeah. Hit him that first shot, but man, I was crippled. Out here on these birds, you gotta run them down quick. They're getting after it. And they'll go hide in this grass and get away from me, so. Whew, good cardio.
Did you get 2? Yeah, dude.
Thank you, Ben, for letting me shoot. That's 12 right there, baby. 6 apiece.
That's it.
Game over. Woo! What is it? Let's see what time it is. I'm gonna say it's 8.
I got 8:35.
8:35. Whew. Thanks to Ben for letting me shoot a little bit. I got him shooting a little bit. We're gonna pack all this up. Maybe take our time. No big rush. Whew, that was a big bunch of birds, man. Let's go pick them up.
Man, Johnny really hooked us up today. We went out to the marsh after kind of a slow day yesterday, and he was promising me some birds. So anyway, we went out there and got out there about 3:30 this morning.
Yeah, 3:34. Yeah.
And got everything unloaded and got the boats in the water, and we just rode like kings out there on that trolling motor.
Yeah, that was nice.
And got out and set up way before shooting light, and saw a ton of birds. I mean, we saw several hundred birds working.
Yeah.
I mean, it even a lot of pintails and stuff like that. A lot of bigger birds.
We had about 3 groups of pintail come into our decoys. You'll see it on some of the footage.
Yeah.
That's the most pintail I've had come that close to me out there ever. So
Right.
hopefully they'll come back regular season.
Shoot. Yeah. But yeah, we
shot pretty good.
yeah. I mean,
We shot okay.
Yeah, we shot okay. I actually killed my first 2 in 1, so I killed 2 in 1 shot today, and that was the first. That's definitely a first for doing that, and so I killed the triple. I may have missed one time on that.
That's right.
But
yeah, we missed a few, but we made up for it. Had enough opportunities and made it happen. So we got one more duck hunt probably. The plan is to go out tomorrow, probably back out to the same place. And then on Tuesday, we may try to do an afternoon dove hunt. Maybe get back out with Jimbo closer near Belleville. So that'll be fun. It's been a good trip. I'm glad you're able to make it down and just hang out with us. And got you on a good Texas teal hunt. So
that's right.
That was good. So Matt and Jake, what you guys are missing out on, man.
Yep, there was plenty of birds.
So we'll have to get you guys down here next time, but. Hopefully we'll get some more tomorrow and wrap it on up. So
sounds good, man.
All right, dude. Thanks, Ben.
Yep.
Thanks for coming out, man.
Yeah.
Cool.